Yo, what's good, gang? Deep CFT here again. And in this video, guys, this is going to be by far one of the most exciting news I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Like, this is the only this is the only crypto futures prop firm in the whole industry. This is really mind blowing and crazy, guys. Yeah, you guys just had me right, guys. So, Crypto Fund Trader just launched what? The new crypto futures prop firm, which means that crypto futures traders can now trade what? Can now trade prop firms, which is what? There's more capital for them to trade with. So Crypto Fund Trader didn't only launch what? A crypto futures prop firm, guys. They also launched an interface whereas traders can place their trade, do some other stuff, even analyze the chart while trading what? Right from your Crypto Fund Trader dashboard, which means that you can what? Keep track of what your account size, your account growth, your account equity, and all of those stuff, and at the same time trade what? On a specific user friendly interface. Of course, all of these, guys, is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and trust me, guys, this is something that a lot of futures traders, especially crypto futures traders, have been waiting for. Those that trade in the Bybit, those that trade using Bybit or Binance, we kind of like understand what I'm talking about. you getting huge capital to trade with, a prop firm to trade with, why trading what? Why trading crypto futures is really mind blowing. Forex traders I think are the ones that have been enjoying this stuff now, and now crypto traders can also benefit from this. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything there is to know, guys. So I just got a 5k prop firm account from Crypto Fund Trader, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything there is to know about what crypto futures, and how you can actually start trading, and how you can get what? Friendly with the interface and the likes. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right into Crypto Fund Trader dashboard. Let's go. Without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys the account size that I got, and everything there is to know about the new crypto futures platform. So of course I got the $5,000 prop firm account, and of course my maximum daily loss limit is going to be what? 5%, while the maximum loss total is going to be what? 10%. And for the phase 1, I'm going to be targeting 8%. For the phase 2, I'm going to be targeting 5%. And I have a minimum of what? Of 5 trading days to 5 trading days to trade before I can be approved. So you have to select the account you are going to be purchasing. And for what I purchased, which is the crypto futures, select crypto futures, and then start evaluation. And you'll be taken to a platform where initially you have to enter your email address, your necessary names, region, and the likes. And of course, here is where I'm going to be applying my coupon code, which I'll leave down in the description. And either use your credit card or crypto as a form of payment, which is, I believe, is very easy. And I think regions kind of like have crypto payment like BTC, USDT, and the like. So you can either use your card or crypto when choosing your payment. And of course, after everything, you're going to be giving your login details. And right now, I'm going to sign into my platform. You guys see that I'm in a little bit of drawdown, right? So this happened when I was actually testing the platform. Yeah, so it was just $6 loss. It was just $6 loss. I'm not a bad trader. It's just $6 loss. I'm not a bad trader, guys. So I'm going to be starting the challenge here. Of course, I'm going to be taking you guys all along with everything. I'm going to be filming each and every trade I'm going to be entering. So this was just something I was trying out, and that was why I took the $6 loss. So my overall drawdown, as you can see, is 4.5. Daily drawdown is going to be what? 4.750. And of course, for us to trade, you have to go to the crypto futures, and then just click trade on this account. Go to this tab, crypto futures, and click trade this account, and you'll be taken to the tab where I initially want to teach you guys or show you guys one or two that you guys might not know. But definitely for those of us that are familiar with Bybit or have traded futures, crypto futures on Binance or the likes, we 100% understand this because it's very, very similar. 100% similar. So major thing that you need to know about all of these crypto futures, don't get confused. This is very, very simple. Might even be simple than Forex. So we have let me zoom in so we will better see all of this clearly. Yeah, I think this is much more better. So to better explain crypto futures, the only difference crypto futures have with forex is that you have a contract. So anytime you are placing a trade on crypto futures, you are depositing a specific money to get in on a contract to trade on what that specific crypto. That is the only difference. So you sign is that it's as if you are going to buy a company, you're going to buy shares, you're going to buy something. So you have to place a deposit on that stuff. So if that stuff rises, you get a particular percentage, which is your profit. And if it goes down, you get a particular loss, which is your of course your loss. And I'm sure we are familiar with that in the forex market. So isolated just simply means your contract is not going to be exceeded even when you lose. So let's take for instance, you buy a dog for $50 and then the dog let's not put dog now. Let's take for instance, you buy a share for $50. A share, I mean, you buy Coca-Cola share or MTN share or Apple share. Yeah, Apple share. You buy Apple share for $50. Then Apple share drops. If Apple share drops to a particular certain levels, that $50 in which you put there is not is only the $50 that's going to be debited, and you're not going to get any other loss. Remember, you're trading a $5,000 account, right? So out of this $5,000 account, I deposit $50 for the contract that I'm going to be getting. Let's take for instance, I'm buying BTC. I deposit $50 for the contract I'm going to be getting. Once that $50 is gone. That means I'm not going to be losing more than that. But if you choose cross, anytime you're placing a trade, once the $50 is gone, you get a loss of $50 and the price keeps dropping. The loss is going to cross over to your account balance, which means the loss is now going to continue reading on the remaining account balance that you have. That means you are still going to be on that trade. So if the trade at the end of the day reverses and goes back in your direction, you are still going to be on that trade. You're not going to be taking out. So that's what we just mean by cross. But for the isolated, once you hit that $50 loss, your trade is automatically going to close. This is just the simple definition. So the second thing what to pay attention to is leverage right here. So you get to choose your own specific leverage anytime you're trading futures, crypto futures. I think it's basically any futures actually, and you can choose a leverage as high as 100x. Please be very careful when you're choosing your leverage. This is very, very important. The lower your leverage, the less the risks you're going to be using in the market, and the higher your leverage, the higher your risks. Please pay attention to that, guys. This is very, very necessary. So I'm sure we are also familiar with leverage, right? So for crypto futures, basically leverage just means that if BTC rises by 1%, let's take for instance now we have $60,000. See, you guys can see that BTC is around $60,000 right here. Let's take for instance BTC at $60,000. So if BTC rise from $6,000 to 1%, I think 1% is 1% of $60,000 is I think $600. Yeah, $600. So it's rising from $6,000 to $6,600. Yeah, that is 1%. Your leverage is going to be times 5. So if you choose times 5 of this, if BTC rises by 1%, 1% times 5 is going to be $5. It's going to be $5. So now let's take for instance, you sign the contract or use the contract of $100. If you place a trade and use times 5 leverage, if that trade rises from 600 to 6100, you're going to be getting $5 profit because price just move 1%. If price moves 2%, you're going to get times 5 of that. So 2 times 5 is $10. Like that. So I think that is a simple definition of leverage in this aspect. And then you have limit market trigger at this top right corner. And then this is instant market trade. So you want to get in on this trade instantly. And I'm going to be placing a trade right now. So let's take for instance, I want to sign a contract of $50, which is like 1% of my contract. And I'm using the leverage of times 5, the low X right here, because this is just an illustration. I don't want to lose. So using times 5x leverage, and the amount is $50 right here. And of course, you know we've marked what instant market execution, as simple as that. This is the amount. This is how you can choose your amount. You guys can see that this is how you can choose your amount. So if you choose 1%, if you choose 1%, it will automatically be calculated right here. If you choose 2%, so automatically 2% of what, because I've, my account is 5K because I got a little loss. That's why it's not rounding up at $50, $100. So 2% of $5,000 is $100, and this is about $100. But I'll be risking 1% in this trade, or be signing a contract of 1%. It's not actually that you're risking 1%. And I'll definitely deeply explain this probably in another video. And you guys can also click the link below to join my channel, where I'll be uploading a more deeper explanation to crypto futures. So this contract right here is what you're putting in the market, and also will also be refunded to you if you get profit. So if you go in on a buy, which is long, and price goes to a particular level, once price gets to that particular level and hit your TP, you'll be refunded your contract with the interest, which is times the leverage. So if price move 1% and you times it by 5%, you're going to get like $5. And plus the initial amount you deposited as contract. It's just simple as that. That's how futures work. I believe you guys understand that. So you can set your TP and SEO targets. I'm not going to be doing that. I don't want the video too long. And you cannot, so of course, if you're watching your trade, you can be a scalper, and once price rises a bit, take your profit and dip. So I can do this too. And I think once this is done, I can just place a long position. Yeah, and I think my trade should be okay. Yeah, as you guys can see, I think I'm already running a profit of 0.04. So this is the leverage right here, and I chose isolated. This is where price. This was where price took me in at. So this was where price took me in at 5,472. And as you can see, I'm in a little bit of profit. And this is where market price is currently at, right? And this is the estimated price liquidity, which means the point at which price will drop to before I will get stopped out. That's where my stop loss is, which means that if price drops to, let me go to 15 minutes. If price drops to 48782, which is very, very far. You guys now see how low risks I went in on this trade, right? So until price get to 48782, that is it, until BTC gets to $48,000, that is when I'm going to be stopped out of this particular trade. Yeah, and of course we also have this thing, margin ratio, and we also have our margin, and also have edit right here. So if you want to edit this particular trade, you want to add take profit and your stop loss, all you just have to do is to click this edit right here. Yeah, so all of these and more, I believe you guys can explore these. And for those that are already trading crypto already, this should definitely be one of the best platforms from there. I believe most of us can actually connect by just seeing this platform. And also, one major thing that I think, one of the best thing I like about this interface is the calculator right here. So you can calculate the specific amount that you want to risk on a particular trade by just clicking this tab right here at this top left corner. Yeah, so I believe this is everything you need to know about price. So if you are confused, you can easily just access the calculator right here. Let me increase this. Yeah, so if you are confused, you can easily just access the calculator, and everything is right from your fingertips, from determining the profits, from determining your closing price, and determining your stop loss level, where you will get completely liquidated in the forex market, which is getting taken out. So as you guys can see, we are currently running 21 cents profit. So I'm going to close right now, since I didn't analyze before placing this trade. So all I'm just going to do is just updated now. We are actually running 33 cents profit. So I'm going to close that. Yeah, I think successfully closed. Yeah. my account has been updated. So guys, I think that is everything you need to know about what crypto fund trader futures, what futures, crypto futures platform. And if you guys have any other question, make sure you drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be answering each and every one of them. And if you still find it difficult, join my Telegram channel. I'll leave a link down in the description, because I'm going to be making a more detailed video for my subscribers and those that are interested in trading crypto futures. Yeah, so other stuff I would like to clarify, because I feel a lot of traders might not know this, is the fact that you can add add-ons. And some people find it difficult to understand what you mean by add-ons. Add-ons kind of like means you have like a specific feature to add when purchasing any prop firm account right from crypto fund. I mean, I think they're literally the only ones that are doing this, or one of the people doing this in the industry. So add-ons, like, you can increase your maximum daily loss and your overall daily loss. Let's take for instance the daily loss before is 5%, and the maximum loss is 10%. With the add-on, you can increase it to like 6%, and the overall loss is going to be like 12%. So there you have it, guys. Crypto fund trader just literally changed the crypto industry. I mean, this is my way, and of course we will be expecting this, right? I mean, they have literally been working tirelessly to make forex traders and crypto traders benefit from the prop firm industry. And of course, when purchasing an account too, you can use my discount code to get a particular percentage off. And without further ado, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.